So that's my Yamaha xsr700, guys. I just got new windscreen. There it is on Puig. It's a time to get rid of that because it's very big actually. But that time when I was gonna buy it, there was another option. It was only this one. And obviously, guys, if you want to get this is windshield, I will say just two things: very good wind protection, but the windshield by itself is a sucks because this is it universal mount and is a very shaky. I updated by sticking here, and as well I stick these things and I put zip ties to avoid any shaking. Now I'm gonna take them off and I'll show you what it's about. This is what it's about the windshield without my modification. It's pretty sucks. It's not acceptable. I was very disappointed when I got it. That's why I got the new one from Puig. I hope it will be much better. So let's mount it. Okay. Fuck, I just cut my finger. It's okay, I'm not gonna die. Yeah, I would like to say a very nice premium box. I'm not sponsored for them, guys. Anyway, it's my first video. No fucking body will sponsor me. Okay. This here, the windshield. And mounting stuff, anything else? No. Okay. That looks much better. Sexy boy. Let's see what is it here. Suka. So instructions. No fucking body care instructions. Real men, they never check the instructions. We find out by self. Okay, maybe I have to check the instructions. Okay, that's it. Pretty good touch, I love it. Just love it. I think that is the best windshield which might provide some wind protection on the market right now for Yamaha xsr700. Very nice. I love it. I just love it. Excellent. Very good job, Puig. Highly I recommend it, guys. It's very nice touch. It's very tight. Is it stable? It's very good. Lovely.